Hi everyone, welcome back to Edo. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the OnePlus Nord N100 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the SIM tray and then the back cover removal. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup and then insert a plastic cartridge tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, using a heat gun, apply the heat to soften the glue on the fingerprint button. Take out the back cover and remove the mid frame by undoing 18 screws from the top and bottom section. And then, using a plastic cartridge tool, create an opening to separate the back cover frame. Be gentle and work around on the edges to separate the plastic clips. Next, unplug the battery connector on the right hand side. Next, on the top right in the logic board, disconnect and take out the front camera. And then take out all three rear cameras from the left hand side. Next, place the required broken camera with the new unit and place it on the board. Next, secure the mid frame by adding 16 screws and the SIM tray. Make sure clips are fastened. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we add in binding clips to tie the rear cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.